Could Tesla be preparing to make another move in the EV industry that could leave years of work by other companies behind? Today, the whole world talks about electric cars. But the real competition is not between the cars. It's between the batteries. That's because the battery decides how far a car can go, how quickly it can charge, how many years it will last, and how much it will cost. This is why Tesla has recently been focusing not only on launching new cars, but also on changing the technology hidden inside the battery that most people never even see. In recent years, Tesla has been making fast progress in areas like battery cell design, dry electrode manufacturing, silicon-based anodes, better thermal management, and lower-cost production. If Tesla succeeds completely, the impact may not be limited to its own cars. It could affect the entire EV industry. Will the new battery be safer than before? Will it make affordable EVs easier to build? And will BYD, CATL, and other major companies respond with new technologies of their own? Before we move ahead in the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss videos like this. There was a time when people openly laughed at Elon Musk's idea of electric cars. Back then, most people believed that electric cars were only useful for short city drives. They said the battery ran out too quickly, charging took too long, and EVs could never replace petrol or diesel cars. Even many well-known auto experts believed that EVs were just a small experiment that would disappear after a few years. But Elon Musk had a different vision. His dream was not just to build an electric car. He wanted to build a company that could change the direction of the entire auto industry. At that time, this sounded like a huge claim, because Tesla itself was struggling. There were times when the company faced financial problems and production challenges, and many people believed Tesla might not survive. But Elon kept saying one thing: if batteries became better and cheaper, electric cars could one day become the first choice for ordinary people. With that thinking, Tesla did not focus only on building cars. The company started working on batteries, motors, software, charging networks, and manufacturing all at the same time. That is why Tesla slowly stopped being known as just a car company and started being recognized as a company focused on developing new technology. Today, the picture has completely changed. Tesla is counted among the world's biggest EV companies. The company's market capitalization has reached around $1.4 trillion, making it one of the most valuable companies in the world. This shows that investors are not only confident in Tesla's current cars, but also in the technologies it is developing for the future. If we talk about sales, Tesla sells millions of vehicles every year across different countries. In 2025, the company delivered around 1.636 million vehicles. This was lower than the previous year because competition increased in many markets and demand also changed. Even so, this large number shows that Tesla is still one of the biggest EV companies in the world. Tesla's best-selling vehicles are the Model 3 and Model Y. Together, these two models make up the largest share of the company's total sales. Apart from them, Tesla also offers the Model S, Model X, and Cybertruck, but their sales are not as high as the Model 3 and Model Y. However, Tesla no longer has the easy path it once had. A few years ago, Tesla almost stood alone in the electric car market. But now, BYD, CATL, Hyundai, Kia, BMW, Mercedes, Toyota, and many Chinese companies are moving forward quickly. Competition has become stronger than ever, especially in China. That is why Tesla has to keep introducing new technologies to maintain its strong position in the market. This is exactly why Tesla's biggest focus today is not just launching new cars. The company is also investing heavily in batteries, artificial intelligence, robotics, energy storage, and automated driving technologies. In other words, Tesla's vision is not limited to today's sales. It is preparing for the years ahead. Why did Tesla need new battery technology? Today, electric car sales are growing rapidly around the world. Almost every major automaker is launching new EVs. But in this entire competition, the biggest difference does not come from the car's design or features. It comes from the battery. That's because the battery decides how far the car can travel on a single charge, how long it takes to recharge, and how much the vehicle will cost. This is why the biggest challenge in the EV industry today is not just building new cars, but building better batteries. Many people think that if you want more range, you just need to install a bigger battery. But in reality, it is not that simple. A bigger battery means more weight, higher cost, and in many cases, longer charging time. If the car becomes heavier, its efficiency can also be affected. That is why companies are now focusing on making batteries smarter and more efficient instead of simply making them bigger. This is where Tesla's approach looks a little different from many other companies. The company's focus is not just on building larger batteries, but on developing batteries that can store more energy at a lower cost, charge faster, last longer, and be produced easily at a large scale. If that happens, the benefit will not be limited to Tesla. It will also help people who want to buy a good EV at a lower price in the future. At the same time, the competition has become tougher than ever. China's BYD continues to move forward with its blade battery and hybrid technology. Meanwhile, CATL is making rapid progress in fast charging and high energy density batteries. On the other hand, Hyundai, Toyota, and many European companies are also investing heavily in battery research. In this environment, it is not easy for Tesla to rely only on its past success. That is why Tesla continues to improve its battery technology. The company is working on new cell designs, better manufacturing, lower costs, and higher efficiency at the same time. Tesla's long-term strategy is not limited to selling today's cars. Its goal is to develop battery technology that can provide a strong foundation for its future vehicles, energy storage systems, and automated mobility for many years to come. What is new in Tesla's new battery technology? Now, the question is, what is actually different about Tesla's new battery technology? Has the company discovered a completely new battery chemistry, or has it simply improved the technology that already exists? The answer is a little interesting. Tesla's main focus is not just on changing the chemicals inside the battery, but on improving its design, manufacturing process, and the way it works. First, let's talk about the 4680 battery cell. Its name comes from its size. It has a diameter of about 46 millimeters and a length of 80 millimeters. Earlier, Tesla mainly used 2,170 cells, and before that, 18650 cells. The new 4,680 cells are larger, so each cell can store more energy than before. Another advantage is that the total number of cells inside the battery pack becomes lower. When there are fewer cells, there are also fewer connecting parts, making the battery pack a little simpler and lighter. But the real change is not just the size. Tesla has introduced a tabless design. In a normal battery cell, there is a small metal tab that carries electricity out of the cell. When the battery is under heavy load, this area also generates the most heat.